More runway space would be needed. One possible solution would be to make use of the mini autobahns here in the Federal Republic. From Autobahn 27, Sergeant Joe Chaglinski has a report.
The German Luftwaffe and elements of the American Air Force and Army conducted landing exercises on an Autobahn strip in northern Germany to show what would happen if the decision was made to use the Autobahn as a runway. To intentionally use a stretch of Autobahn as a runway, certain conditions had to be met. First, the concrete used had to be reinforced to hold up under the weight of planes landing and taking off. Second, adequate wingtip clearance had to be assured for the largest plane using the runway. In this case, at least 120 feet of wingtip clearance had to be assured for the C-130s from England and Rhine-Main. Third, it had to be long enough for the C-130s, which used 3,500 feet of the 7,500-foot runway in this exercise. These conditions being met, Operation Streak Street began with 2 paratrooper drops. Their mission, to secure the area around the Autobahn and make it safe for the incoming transports. This being done, C-130s began landing, bringing in support personnel and equipment for the planes using the runway, A-10s from the 81st TAC Fighter Wing at RAF Bendwaters. While the U.S. Air Force supplied the planes and their support, and the Army provided security, the German Luftwaffe supplied air control capabilities, fuel, and fire protection, all supplied by Fighter Bomb Wing 43 at Oldenburg. After the transports landed, a variety of NATO aircraft arrived and began their portion of the exercise with low approaches, followed by touch-and-go landings. The A-10s flew 27 sorties from the Autobahn, with the other aircraft accounting for the remaining 212 for a total of 239. The highlight of the exercise was the simulated runway attack from different directions by F-15s, F-16s, and F-4s. All who took part in Operation Streak Street considered it a complete operational success, and all were pleased with the mutual cooperation shown by both the American and German forces during the exercise. From an Autobahn strip somewhere in northern Germany, I'm Air Force Sergeant Joe Chaglinski, EBS News.